Okay, welcome. This one is my standard e-commerce shop with all the products, altogether 7 right here. Each product has a description field which I can expand for details. So browsers, people who visit, they can see what exactly they are buying, and they can also add all the items, and you can see the cart expand as you add. Right, and back, this is the cart page. You can also increase product line inside the cart page similarly to the main page, and you also can deduct the whole item from the cart. Now it's 3. Checkout page has some sort of a CRM, customer database, that you can ask customers to send information to a Google Sheet. Let me close this up and show you the Google Sheet this is going to send to. Click send. It's running. There, it's here on 178. Success. Good. Now let's go and clear the cart. Try one more time. 2 item, quick one. Checkout 618. Okay, let's try another number or things at that time again. 618. Send. Updated. Okay, that's it. That's the function.